Okay, that is the application of derivative. Okay, so if you have book, a few portion of this chapter has been deleted. Topic number 6.1 means introduction. This part has removed. The rate of change of quantities. This part means 6.2 also removed from your syllabus. And 6.5 means approximation. This three portion has been removed from this chapter. I am just this is class 12. Subject. Okay, so the removed part is 6.1, 6.2 and 6.5. These three topics has been removed from your syllabus. I think you know that. Okay, so we have actually here do tangent normal, maximum minimum, and increasing and decreasing function. Okay, so today we'll start the tangent and normal, how to find the tangents and normals of a function. Okay, so let's start the tangents and normals. So students, can anyone define me what do you mean by tangent of a curve? If you know, please tell me what do you mean by tangent of a curve? If you know, please tell me what do you mean by tangent of a curve? Am I audible to you properly? Shubhadeep, Shomik, Akash, Shapro, Shubhadeep Ghosh. Okay, so if you know, then please tell me what do you mean by tangent of a curve? Please tell me, what do you mean by tangent of a curve? Tangent and normal. Okay, Akash is typing. The tangent represents the direction of the curve at a particular point. Okay, very good. Tangent represents the direction of a curve at a particular point. Okay, so I am telling you the definition of tangent. Suppose this is a curve. So tangent is a line which touches the curve at one point. Suppose this is our P point, okay, whose coordinate is x comma y. So this line, suppose T dot. So T dot is called the tangent of the curve at the point x. So tangent is nothing but a line, a straight line which touches the curve at a fixed point. Okay, this is the tangent. This is definition of tangent. Now we'll derive the formula how to find the equation of tangent. Okay, but before starting that, this is a curve, any curve. Let us consider 2 points on the curve P and 1 point is Q. If I join P and Q, can you tell me what is the name of the line PQ? What is PQ? The point joining any 2 points on the curve is called Yes, a chord. Okay. Now, if I draw a tangent at the point P, let PT is the tangent at the point P. Now, keeping this point P fixed, if I gradually move the point Q very closer to the point P, very closer to the point P, so length of this chord will be shift according as Q moved to the point P. And when Q is very closer to the point P, then the chord will be converged to the tangent, means chord and tangent will be coincide. Okay, so we can define tangent as a chord when the two terminals on the curve are very closer. When the two end point of the chord are very closer, then the chord will be converted into a tangent. Clear? Now we are going to just establish the equation of tangent. So let us consider a set of rectangular axes. This is x, this is O, and this is y. Let a curve is like that. This is a curve, y equal to f of x. Let us consider one point P here, whose coordinate is x comma y, and one point Q here, whose coordinate is x plus delta x comma y plus delta y. Means the point Q is very closer to the point P. Clear? Okay. Now draw a perpendicular line from the point P to the x-axis, suppose PM, and from the point Q to the x-axis, suppose QN. Okay? If I join the point P and Q, so PQ is a chord. PQ is a chord whose coordinate is x comma y, and coordinate of Q is x plus delta x comma y plus delta y. Now if we want to find the equation of the curve, equation of the chord, so we know a formula that if there are 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, so we can find the equation of the line by using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. I think you know the formula from class 11. We have learned this type of formula, how to find the equation of a straight line. So equation of the straight line, equation of the chord, equation of the chord PQ joining the point P and Q is y minus y1 is equal to m. M means the formula of m is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of the line joining the point x1 y1 and x2 y2 is, so here y2 means this point, y plus delta y, minus y1 means this, by x2 means x plus delta x, minus x1 means x, into x minus x1. Now tell me, have you understood how to find the equation of the chord PQ in joining the point P and joining the point Q? Okay. Now if I remove the bracket, so this y and this y will cancel each other. Similarly, these two x will cancel each other. That means finally we have the equation of the chord PQ as y minus y is equal to delta y by delta x into x minus small x. X minus small x. Now I told you when this Q point will be moved very closer to the point P, then this chord will be converted into the tangent. So when Q is very closer to the point P, when Q is very closer to the point P, means Q tends to P, in that case delta x will be tends to 0, means the delta x, this portion is delta x, this portion when tends to 0, very close to 0, so this chord PQ will be converted into the tangent of the curve at the point P x comma y. So if I now take limit as delta x tends to 0, then we have the left hand side is a constant, so y minus small y is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x into capital X minus small x. Okay, now I have to rub the board. Can I rub the board? This upper portion. I'm rubbing the board, okay? Okay, so then we have y minus small y is equal to, can you tell me what is the value of this term, this portion? Limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x, delta y delta x. This is actually dy dx, derivative of y with respect to x minus small x. So this is the equation of tangent at P whose coordinate is x comma y. So equation of the tangent at the point x comma y is y minus small y. Small y means this point, and capital X and capital Y are the running coordinate, and x and y are the fixed point. So this is the equation of the tangent at the point P whose coordinate is x comma y. Now tell me, have you understood the equation of tangent? After that we'll calculate the equation of normal. Okay, so now we'll calculate the equation of normal. Okay, so what is the normal? So normal is a line perpendicular to the tangent, either this direction or this direction. So tangent means a line which is perpendicular to the normal. Now look, in class 11 we learned that if two lines are perpendicular to each other and slope of this line is m1 and slope of this line is m2, so what is the value of the product of their slope? What is the value of the product of their slope? Tell me. If two lines are perpendicular, so product of their slope is minus 1. Very good. The product of the slope is minus 1. Now we know that the slope of that line is dy dx. Okay, slope of this line is dy dx. Let us consider slope of this line is suppose m. As the angle between the tangent and normal is 90 degree, so by condition we have m into dy dx will be minus 1. Slope of normal into slope of tangent is equal to minus 1, because tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. So from here the value of m will be minus dx dy. Now find out the equation of normal at the point x comma y. So the formula is y minus y1 is equal to m, means this term, minus dx dy into x minus x1. So this is the equation of normal at P whose coordinate is x comma y. So this is the equation of tangent and this is the equation of normal. Okay, so we have set the equation of tangent and equation of normal. Up to this, what we have learned, do you have any problem? Anyone? Sir, please take the attendance. Sir, once this one. This one? Okay. Do you have any problem? Please tell me if you have any problem. No, sir. Okay. Akash is only replying me. Whatever the others, I can see 5 students has joined with me. And Subhajit also replied. Somik replied. And what are the other students? Sir, show me the candidate list. Somik, Akash, Shubhadeep, Gop, and Saprabho. Okay. Okay, now let's come to few problem from your exercise. Let's solve it. Okay. So we are starting from question number 1 of exercise 6.3. Question number 1 of exercise 6.3. The first question, find the slope of the tangent of the curve y is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. So at x equal to 4, we have to find the slope of the line. Now just we learn, the slope of the line is given by dy dx. Slope of the tangent is given by dy dx, and also this is slope of tangent, and slope of normal is given by minus dx dy. So we have to find the slope of the tangent of the curve. So what we have to do? We have to do just differentiate this function with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, we have dy dx is equal to d dx of this term 3x to the power 4 minus 4x. Now do the differentiation. So dy dx, that will be equal to, so 3 is a constant, d dx of x to the power 4 minus 4 is a constant, d dx of x means it will be 3 into 4x cube minus 4. That means it will be a 12x cube minus 4. Now we have to find the slope of the line at x equal to 4. So slope of the line, slope of the tangent at x equal to 4 is given by dy dx at x equal to 4, which is equal to 12 into 4 cube minus 4. Now find out 4 cube, what is the value of 4 cube, and multiply it 12 and subtract the result, subtract 4 from the result. Okay, do the calculation quickly and tell me the value. Quickly tell me the value. Seven, 6, 4. Yes, 764. 768 minus 4, that is 764. This is the slope of the tangent, and hence solve. Are not the questions are very easy? Okay, now let's solve question number question number 2. Okay, find the slope of the tangent of the curve at x equal to 10 where x is not equal to 2. So process is same. We have to differentiate the curve and we have to put x equal to what? 10 there. So the curve is y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2, where x is not equal to 2. Why? Because if x equal to 2, then the value of the curve 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2, that is the denominator will be 0, means curve is undefined at x equal to 2. Okay, so we have to find the slope of the tangent at x equal to 10. So do the same thing, differentiate it. Differentiating with respect to x, we have dy dx is equal to, so it x minus 2 whole square, and it will be x minus 2 into derivative of first function minus first function is fixed, derivative of second function. Now do the differentiation and then put x equal to 10 there and do the calculation and then tell me the answer. Minus 1 by 16 or 64. Okay, let's see. That will be actually, that will be x minus 2 minus x minus 1 by x minus 2 whole square. So that is equal to next line, this x will cancel each other. So minus 1 by x minus 2 whole square. Now if I put x equal to 10, dy dx at x equal to 10, it will be minus 1 by h square, 64. Yes, very good. That will be minus 1 by 64. Very good, Akash. Minus 1 by 64. So question is done. Now we'll solve question number. Okay, question number 3 is find the slope of the tangent at the point where x coordinate is 2. Okay, so can I skip the question? Simply differentiate it and then put x equal to 2. Can I skip the question such that you can do it by yourself? Okay. Now we'll question number 4 is also same. Okay, I am doing question number 5 now. Question number 5. Find the slope of the normal. Okay, now we have to find the slope of the normal of the curve x equal to a cos q theta and y equal to b, sorry not b, it's a sin q theta at theta equal to pi by 4. We have to find the slope of normal, not tangent. We have to find the slope of normal. Okay, and slope of normal is given by dx dy. So we have to find the value of dx dy at x equal to pi by 4. Okay, so let's differentiate x with respect to theta. Why? Because x is a function of theta. So differentiating with respect to theta, we have dx d theta is equal to a is constant, derivative of cos q theta, which is equal to, so if I do the difference, okay, can you tell me what will be the derivative of cos q theta? Attendance. So chatte class hai. Chatte class hai. I hope all of you will answer the question. That derivative of cos q theta is very easy. In previous chapter we have solved a lot of problem like, yes, this is yes, actually minus 3 cos square theta into sin theta. Yes, very good. So this is minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Okay. Now similarly, from this equation, y equal to a sin q theta, we have to differentiate it with respect to theta. That means dy d theta, it will be, if I do it directly, it will be 3a sin square theta cos theta. Okay. Now find dx dy by applying chain rule. So dx dy is equal to dx d theta into d theta dy. Now value of dx d theta is this minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta divided by d theta dx, d theta dy means reciprocal of dy d theta, which is equal to 3a sin square theta cos theta. Now 3a will cancel each other, cos square theta, cos theta, sin theta and sin square theta. So the answer is minus of cot theta. Answer is minus of cot theta. Now slope of the normal at x equal to pi by 4. So theta equal to pi by 4 is given by slope of the normal at theta equal to pi by 4 is given by minus dx d theta, which is equal to minus of the value, okay, and at theta equal to pi by 4. At theta equal to pi by 4. So this is minus of minus cot theta at theta equal to pi by 4. So that is equal to cot theta at theta equal to pi by 4. So cot pi by 4 equal to 1. So that is equal to plus 1. So slope of the normal at theta equal to pi by 4 is 1, and hence solved. Okay, tell me, have you understood? If you have any problem, you can tell me. Don't hesitate to tell me. The problem are very easy. Yes, understood. So today actually my time is over. So do one thing. Question number 6 is similar like question number 5. So I am not doing question number 6. You try to solve the question number 6 by yourself, and in my next class we will start from question number 7. Is that okay? Okay. So up to my next class. Bye bye. Okay, great. Thank you so much.